When it comes to flossing, I'm all about convenience. It's the difference between me flossing and me not flossing. So I found that picks work best for me, but this is even better. So this is a little kit where you push a button and one pops out. I love it. It also comes with a whole bunch of backup ones so you can refill it. I just leave it on my counter. That way it's a good reminder that I have to floss. So when it's in sight, you're gonna do it. When it's out of sight, out of mind, you might not pull the floss out of your drawer. I don't know, at least for me, I need it to be easy. This is what it looks like. So it has that sharp piece where you can get anything out if you wanna dig, and then of course it has the regular flossing. So easy. You just do that throughout all your teeth. Make sure you floss all the time. That's what the dentist says. It really does make a difference. I've noticed a huge difference in my oral hygiene when I started flossing every single day, and this has definitely helped me do that.